I'm going to show you how easy it is to integrate Flipgrid into your lessons. So when you log in, it looks like this. This right here shows you how many grids I have. I have my 4th grade STEM, my 3rd grade STEM, my 5th grade STEM. This little airplane here shows you that I have a co-pilot. Right now that means Penny Massing can see any of these videos that 4th grade has made. If you look, here is my most recent response. We had 2.1 hours of engagement, 90 views, and 46 responses from the students. Here's my topic, and it's super easy to go down and look at these. But the thing I want to tell you about now is what I love about Flipgrid is that they have pre-made lessons made for you. Right here where it says Disco Library, I can click there. And this is all templates that are pre-made. There are 9,745 topics in the Disco Library, and they're so easy to find them. So if I'm trying to do multiply decimals, here's 3 right away. This one was used 13 times. Say I want to do add, and just see what comes up. Add and subtract money is an option. There's all these different options. Happy birthday, add student name. Let's say I'm doing, it's the 100th day of school, and I want a quick video. These are all pre-made. Oh, look, there's one by me. These are pre-made. This one was used for 20 hours and 40 minutes, 19 times. You can see the amount of student engagement, and that is great for me to decide which videos I want to choose. So say I want to do this one right here. I would click on it, and it shows me, explain what you think you'll be doing when you're 100 years old. I can easily select what class I want to do this, hit add, and it's pre-made for me. Everything's done. I just go here and I click update topic. Now, when I look, it's here. It's ready for students to use. So one thing I like is I like to go through and look for lessons that I might not be using yet, but now I have some that are favorites. This has a STEM roller coaster challenge that I'm not doing yet, but I know I will be in the future. Here's one for the 100th day of school. I have one ready for when I want to use it. Here's one for hour of code, 2 truths and a lie, just how to be awesome. These are all pre-made. You can see the hours of engagement, how many times they were used. There's lots of ways you can use this. Another thing I like is it shows you your activity up here, and it gives you a funny thing to relate it to. So that's how long it takes to climb Africa's highest peak, Mount Kilimanjaro. It tells me the numbers of grids I have launched, the number of topics I've created, and it's super easy for me to respond to kids. So I've responded in these two, and I can go through and click any of these videos and respond. It is safe because students have to use their school email to log in, and I can share this with classroom teachers so they can be involved in what I'm doing with the STEM classroom.